Assalamu alaikum. Have you realized that we live in a very uncertain time? Wars, poverty, injustice, haram being normalized everywhere, Muslims being attacked by the West, false narratives in the media, and everything like that. And we must realize that in these times of uncertainty, where economies are fragile and societies are deeply divided, the need for self-sufficiency is greater than ever. Our Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "The strong believer is more beloved by Allah than the weak believer." And that's why we need to come together as Muslims and start preparing and building on a better future. I mean, the West is definitely losing because it's really focused on individualism. But we can win if we work together and follow the Sunnah, the footsteps of the Sahaba and our Prophet ﷺ, because we can't rely on a system that is fundamentally in odds with our values. It's not about driving a Lamborghini, going to parties on yachts with girls and things like that. No. All of that means nothing on the day of judgment. It's about being able to take care of your family, earn a halal income, contribute to the world in a positive way, and being able to focus more on your deen. And you don't need to invest thousands of dollars into a course. What you need is clear action steps that you can implement right away. And in the past couple of years, I went from a 15, 16-year-old boy who was working at the local supermarket to building a business that is now consistently doing over multiple six figures. And I started with nothing. No experience, no money, nothing. But yet, I've managed to help over 200 clients and build a company with a team of over 12 people now. Starting from the 3rd of November, I'll host a Halal Business Bootcamp, the biggest online event I've ever done. A 7-day online bootcamp where I will show you step by step everything that I did to build my business and how you can do it too. During this bootcamp, we will build a business from scratch together. Every single day, we will reveal new episodes where I will take you in my personal lessons, practical tips, and clear to-dos, even including live calls and Q&As. Now, are you ready to take control of your own future? Then sign up and I'll see you there, inshallah.